Hey, it's Brianna with WTI, and these are my screen protectors for my Pixel 7 Pro. These are from the brand CWQZGUF.
This was a very easy screen protector to install. I love that it's tempered glass and it's really high quality. It lined up perfectly with my Pixel 7 Pro. As you may know, the Pixel has a curved edge, and so I was a little worried that the screen protector might be lifting from the edges, but it actually fit it perfectly. It curves nicely over the edge and it has a space for the fingerprint sensor, and it reads my fingerprint really well. And as you can see, there's no lifting, sticking out on the sides. It really blends in nicely to the phone. The set also includes camera covers that are black and they look really sleek as well. Again, perfectly lining up with the camera and the flash. And just a nice feature that a lot of screen protector sets do not include. Now, I've had this screen protector on my phone for several months now and it has protected my phone screen and camera from scratches, and it's still easy to use the touchscreen. So I highly recommend this tempered glass screen protector set. I think it's going to work great for you.
And that's my point of view.